Experience is a good thing, right? The older we get, the more experience we have, the more projects we've worked on, the more people we've worked with, the more mistakes we've made, the more issues we've seen, we've solved more things, we've solved more challenges. And as we get older and as we have more experience, we are at a point where we feel like we know what's going on. We know how to handle different situations. And the thing is that with all that sort of experience that we have, we kind of walk into what I call our comfort zone. And we're in our comfort zone because we're there, we know what we're doing, but we've also got more responsibilities. We've got mortgages, households, family, children, parents, whatever it is. We have to make sure that we keep everything smooth and running. Which means that it's kind of simple mathematics. We don't want to take any more risk than we have to. We don't take as much risk as perhaps we would do before we had all those responsibilities. Makes total sense. The thing is that as your career goes on, as time goes on, we're kind of almost walking into this place where we don't want to take any more risks. We don't want to go for what we really want. We end up settling. We're looking at opportunities and giving ourselves all the reasons that we shouldn't take them. We're looking at the risk of the situations and thinking, here are all the logical reasons I shouldn't make that decision, shouldn't leave that job, shouldn't go for that opportunity. The thing is that opportunity and everything that we want is fundamentally on the other side of fear for us. And all of these stable things in our lives, all of the things that we are fearful that we're going to lose, means that we don't put ourselves on that other side of fear so much. But what about all the opportunities that we're missing? What about all of the things that we could be doing? What about when you get to a point in your career and you're thinking, this isn't enough. I don't want to do this anymore. I want to do something different. I want to do something for me. And the answers to those questions are always on the other side of fear. There is always a huge amount of risk involved. But you can use the experience that you have and assess the risk that there is and really go for every opportunity. I really, really believe that opportunity is on the other side of fear. And if we can get out of our comfort zone and get out of our slippers of life, then who knows what's on that other side. And if you want to talk it through, or you want to have a chat about what the opportunities are in front of you, because I'm sure there are many, then schedule a free consultation, a fast start consultation with me at www.youandlaura.com. And I look forward to seeing you there.